Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Over the years, I've made a lot of chains, links of chains, but I don't think I've ever made one that's this easy. Draw a rectangle, doesn't really matter what size, and I'm just going to type in like 5 inches, which is way more than it needs to be, but it won't go any further. I'm going to Control D and duplicate that guy, and I'm going to go to Effects. No, I'm not going to duplicate it. I didn't want to do that. So I just want one. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour the inside 1 inch with rounded corners, and I get that right there. Go up to Object, break the contour apart. I'm going to make them both black by right-clicking my, and I now need it in the center of the page. So I'm going to hit both of them and hit P. I'm going to take a 2-point line, holding down the control button so it's perpendicular. And then I'm going to cut that side away. Now, it might be a little bit long with my link, but that's okay. I'm going to grab both these and go F12 on the keyboard, and I'm going to make it a 1/2 inch wide. Now I'm going to Control G to group them, to Control D to duplicate it, and mirror it the other way. While holding down the control button, I'm going to move it to wherever I think I want it. And that looks pretty good. Then I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key and delete that line, and then come over here and delete that line and that line. So it looks like it's going over, under, over, under. I'm going to Control G to group it. I'm going to make it with my ratio locked. I'm going to make it 8 inches. And I'm going to set my nudge factor to 8. And then that way, when I Control D, so my links are a little bit long. So I made my rectangle a little bit long. But that's probably the easiest way I've ever done a chain. And I might try later on to use the artistic media tool to use this chain. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.